Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 8883 Glass. Today we are in Short Hills, New Jersey, just completing a custom Serenity enclosure, all in 1/2 inch, low iron, invisible shield glass. Now, this is a pretty cool one because the opening space itself is very large. Each one of these panels and door are approximately 33 inches or 34 inches wide. And we've used a senior Serenity kit, so this is to be a little stronger to hold the weight over. All right, and everything's in polished chrome hardware, and I'll show you how this guy works. So the bar itself is connected to the left bone. No, it's connected to the return panel here. All right, and the stationary panels we've secured with clamps. And everything, as you see inside the shower, everything is in square finish. Kind of not that one, but everything in the bathroom itself is square finish. So we've used a square series handle and a square single-sided towel bar. The reason for single-sided is because double-sided would never allow the door to open. All right, so as I step in, single bottom guide, nice large rollers. Okay. And of course the handle we do have double-sided so that you're able to actually physically close the door up. Yeah. I'm a big guy, you know, I'm about 6'4", about 300 pounds, and I can't reach arm length to arm length from side to side to this bathroom, so I'm sorry, to the shower. So it's pretty big, nice little shower experience. As far as the height was controlled mainly by this drop-down soffit here. So we had to try to get around that. So that determined the height. All right, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website at njglassdoors.com. Thank you.